Hey guys, this is George and welcome back to George Basics Crypto and Finance. In this video tutorial, I will teach you how to activate Revolut eSIM on your phone. First of all, you need to open your phone settings. Once you will open the settings, then you need to go to the search and type eSIM, and you need to click add eSIM right here. Then you need to wait a few seconds and this page will pop up, guys, and you can see there are two options: transfer from nearby iPhone or use QR code, guys. So if you have Revolut eSIM QR code, you need to click use QR code and you need to scan the QR code, guys. But if you want to enter the details manually, just click this button, enter details manually in the bottom, and you need to add SMTP plus address, activation code, and confirmation code, which is optional, guys. So then click the next button and you will activate your Revolut eSIM. So that's all I want to show you. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to click the like buttons and don't forget to subscribe.